Hello everybody on the Rosie Murphy channel. Rosie here, and about 8 years ago I put in the Dimplex BF9000. I believe the model number is, the BF9000. It was one of the highest rated units for, I don't want to call it fake fireplaces, but fireplaces that look pretty real, that kick out nice looking, effective looking fire as well as heat. This is a two-step one. It has, you can put the light on here, and you can see that the logs are LED logs here, and they're working just fine. But unfortunately, the instruction manual is very bad at telling you in the back. And then phase two is the heat that gets kicked out of here too. And you can turn the heat off, and you can adjust the heat levels there. The problem is the owner's manual is very poor about telling you how to install new lights. And you have to, I had to actually go out and buy 2 new 60-watt clear bulbs, and they need to go into the two ends there. The two I took out were blown out, so that means that you have to remove this cover off of the bottom first. You need to pull your fireplace out a little bit. You should have built it on a stand, a 2x4 stand in the back, as I did. So you should be able to just remove this front cover, lift up the logs here. And then underneath the wiring harness, you can see here, underneath you'll see the 2 sockets for the bulbs to go in. And these are the reflectors. This is really the key to the whole system. It makes the fireplace do a rolling glow. It looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put those 2 bulbs in, and then we'll see what we get. Okay, those bulbs are back in position. I just want to check that they are working. It's going to be very bright. 60, do not exceed 60 watts on each of them. Okay, and there we go. So the replacement bulbs are in. Now it's a matter of while you have it open, you might as well clean all your surfaces. You can see on mine, there was a lot of dirt that was accumulated on the front and on the back of the unit, so it's a good time to clean all that up, and it'll be better for reflectivity of the unit. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and clean this back mirror and then do the final install back in. But this is a simple quick guide for how to change the incandescent lights on the Dimplex, what is it, the BG9000. Just as a side note, don't forget to reattach your side pins. These pins are very important that go in the side. They have a washer on the end of it that's very important for capturing the hooks on the end of the screen that you can see. Try to get that to focus. You can see down there, that's designed for those hooks to go over the top of that. So it's very important that they have something that they can capture on there. Okay, there's one on each side. Don't forget to mount it back in the middle. There is the nice finished product, and I think I understand. I always enjoyed having this one because it really looked good, especially from a distance, the way that Dimplex designed this. I think I paid a little more for it, but the results were worth it. It had a really good authentic look to it, and I also like the fact that if you wanted to, you could also kick out some extra heat here. Well, that's off. By putting that on, it has a little thermostat adjustment here, and you could adjust for the temperature that you want. And I think it has a low and a high setting and an off there, so I really appreciated having the supplemental heat. There it is, all cleaned up. How to replace the lights on your nice Dimplex electric fireplace. Thanks for watching, everybody, and thumbs up are appreciated.